Welcome to North Shore Lobster. The location has been around for 20 to 30 years. North Shore Lobster took the location over in October of 17. We operate 365 days of the year. At North Shore Lobster, we offer a wide variety of your traditional New England favorites. Pick a species, we generally have it. We prepare it in any way that you would really like. We do everything in-house, from making our chowders to our tartar sauce. I would think that where we stand out is the specialization of lobsters. And we do lobsters in so many different varieties, whether it's live, whether it's steamed, whether it's prepared in any number of ways on any given day. We're in the storage facility for live lobsters at North Shore Lobster. We're storing at any time up to 2,000 to 3,000 pounds of various sizes. And we range anywhere from 1 pound up to 10-pound live lobsters. We're cooking between 200 and 300 pounds of live lobsters a day for our fresh pick lobster meat. Welcome to the marketplace, where we feature anything from our prepared items that we offer in the kitchen, our salads, our sides, handmade items. So there are things that we do here at North Shore Lobster to give you a complete meal. So when you come in and you're buying one of our fresh selection, you can grab a couple of sides, and now when you go home and you prepare your dinner, you have the rest done. So it's one-stop shopping at the marketplace. We're preparing a fabulous meal for all our customers on Restaurant Week, which is going to be featuring boiled steamed lobsters, starting off with the clam chowder, accompanied by corn on the cob and coleslaw, homemade coleslaw, and finish off with a piece of key lime pie. And always great with a glass of Pinot Grigio or one of our draft beers.
It looks great. I like that the tables are out here. I like that we're covered completely. You close your eyes, you think you're here in the ocean. It can't be better than this.
So our team here at North Shore Lobster invites everybody down. Please, whether you want to experience our marketplace, whether it's our bar, whether it's our fast casual dining, we welcome you. So look forward to seeing everybody at North Shore Lobster. Come on down.